Hi, so you want to get what you want, or you want to get to where you want to be even faster? Well, there is a way. So if you want to find like happiness or inner peace, or maybe it's money that you want, or abundance, or better sleep, better relationships, harmony, well, if you saw my video about the 30-minute meditation, you know already there is a way. But there is a faster way. And if you see in the 15 minutes meditation I did about the breath, there is a way using your breath. So how about I show you another way to get there faster? Just to speed it up. Here in this video, I will show you, and I will also tell you how to find the time for it. So hi, I'm Sandra from the Academy of Making Sense, and I've been teaching Feng Shui and meditation for the last 2 decades, and I'm still enjoying it, if you haven't realized yet, but hey. So what is another fast track to knowing what you want? Well, you need to meditate every day, 10 to 15 minutes. So you will ask me, Sandra, how do I find the time? I'm really busy and I'm having this and that and children, blah, blah. So yeah, children. You build a habit out of those 10 to 15 minutes a day. Do you pick up your kids from school or kindergarten? Well, go there 15 minutes earlier. You will even find a better parking. You're already sitting in your car in an upright position. So start meditating in there. Do you have a long commute and you're passing the sea, a forest, a park? Make a stop for 15 minutes. Stay in your car, meditate upright, or have a walk on the beach, in the forest, in the park, and really consciously enjoy every step that you take, every breath that you take, every sound around you, or just stare at the waves, the trees, the birds, whatever is present in the very moment, because that already is mindfulness. So, or maybe you tell me, Sandra, I don't even know yet what I want. So this is the way. You first need to get clarity in your head. And then you can take action accordingly. Buzzing around with no goal, no emphasis, no nothing is not doing it. And you may have realized that by now. So how about you get started right now? Sit down, relax, and meditate with me. Let me guide you into clarity, calmness, and harmony. Let's get started. Shall we? And while you get comfortable in your meditation posture, clarity is paramount in life, in your job, everywhere, as in relationships, as well as in Feng Shui. So starting with finding out what you don't want might be the first step. And I mean consciously finding out what you don't want. And that is just so much easier if you cleared some thoughts out and start feeling the silence. And then you might start getting an idea about what you really want. And whether it's clarity, harmony, abundance, better sleep, better relationships, money. Let's see what we can find. So become aware of the ground underneath you. Wherever you're resting on, the floor, the sofa, a chair, your bed, feel the ground underneath you. If you have your feet flat on the ground, feel your feet on the floor. If you are sitting cross-legged, feel the bottom of your spine resting and connecting to Mother Earth. Feel how the ground is holding you, either directly or through the chair or sofa beneath you. what is nourishing you. Become aware of just that. Let your body weight just rest on the ground. Let all your weight rest here and feel the imprint you are making here and now. And as we step away from the day that we had so far, leave everything that happened outside this room. Everything that happened before, and also everything that may or may not happen afterwards. We don't know that. Leave it outside. Resting here in your presence. Beautiful. And now bring your awareness to the crown of your head and let go of any tension you might be holding on to there. Let it flow down on you, down towards the ground. Smoothen your forehead, soften your eyebrows, your eyes, and your cheeks. Soften your jaw. Your tongue lies relaxed in the middle of your mouth, where you can feel the teeth. Every in-breath is taking in fresh oxygen. Every out-breath is releasing toxins, stress, and hardness. So contact the relaxing quality of the out-breath as often as possible. Relax your neck. Let it melt away. Relax your shoulders. Make them wide. Let your arms hang loose. All fingers. Let go. Relax your torso. Let your belly be soft. Relax your pelvis. Relax your legs. Just let them go. If you feel any kind of hardness anywhere in your body, just release it with your out-breath. Feel your whole body now, sitting here in the now, being present. Enjoy your own presence in the here and now. Fully aware of whatever is with you in the flow. Maybe some answers. Maybe just relaxation. And if you find yourself distracted by thoughts, noises, or emotions, just bring your awareness back to your body, sitting here, being present. Enjoy the silence and clarity for the next few minutes. back to your body, just as it is, resting here. How do you feel? How does your body feel right now? There's no right or wrong. There just is. Maybe it's similar to when we started. Maybe it's different. So this could become morning meditation to set you up for the day, or one for the evening to help you wind down. Both times it will give you calmness and clarity by just slowing down your thoughts and your life. And if you manage to make this a habit and build it into your routine, you will be astounded how quickly you will feel the effects. It will make a difference, that's for sure. This is your time. This is your space. And space doesn't just show up. You create it. Get clarity about what you want and how to get it, starting now. So slowly become aware of the room around you. Slowly become aware of the sounds around you. Become aware of where your feet are placed and where your hands are placed. And start inviting life back into your body by moving your toes and your feet, your fingers and your hands. Inviting a deeper breath into your body. And slowly and gently, whenever you feel like it, open your eyes. Wonderful. So let me know in the comments what you found out during the time in silence or during the meditation. I would love to hear that. And also let me know what your greatest challenges are at the moment with meditation, in life, and let's see if we can find more. So if you liked what we did here, maybe you like some of the other videos too. You will find them somewhere here or down there. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope to hear from you. See you soon. Bye.